Standard 8 Subject Maths Chapter number 14 Compound Interest. Let us now we first understand formula of simple interest. You have studied in 7th standard formula of simple interest. A person takes a loan from institute like bank or Patpedi with fixed rate of interest. After stipulated time, he repays the loan with some money, more money. The additional money paid is called interest. Now, formula for simple interest. It is equal to I equal to PNR divided by 100. I for interest, P for principal, N for number of years, and R is the rate of interest. By using this formula, we calculate simple interest. Now we see compound interest, formula for calculating the compound interest. Now we see here A, that means amount, equal to P plus I, that means principal plus interest. Now the formula for compound interest, A equal to P into bracket 1 plus R upon 100 raised to N. Now compound interest equal to A minus P, that means amount minus principal. In this way we calculate value of compound interest. Practice set 14.1. Find the amount and the compound interest. Principal is rupees 2000. Rate is 5% per annum. Duration is 2 years. We have to find out amount and the compound interest. Now the formula is A equal to P into bracket 1 plus R upon 100 raised to N. Then we put here values. Value of P, it is 2000 into bracket 1 plus rate is 5 upon 100 raised to 2. Here we solve this example. It is equal to 2000 into bracket. Now we solve this bracket first. Denominator is 100. Then we add 1 plus 5 upon 100. That means we are taking here cross multiplication. 100 plus 5 upon 100 raised to 2. Then we get next step is 2000 plus 105, it is 105 upon 100 raised to 2. Then 2000 into bracket raised to 2 means 105 upon 100, 105 upon 100 2 times, bracket raised to 2, that means multiplication is 2 times. Then this 20 and 20 gets cancelled, 10 and 10 gets cancelled. Then we get 2 into 105 into 105 upon 10. Then again we divide here. 2 upon 10 we'll get 105 into 105 upon 5. Then next is we divide 105 by 5, then we get here 21 into 105. Multiplication of these two number 2205 rupees. That means we'll get here A, that means amount is 2205. Then from this we calculate compound interest equal to A minus P, that is 2205 minus 2000. We'll get 205. It is the compound interest, rupees 205. Then we take next example. Samir Rao has taken a loan of 12,500 at the rate of 12 PCPA for 3 years. If the interest is compounded annually, then how many rupees should be paid to clear his loan? मराठीत या उदाहरणाचा अर्थ समजावून घेऊ. समीर रावांनी एका पतपेढीतून दर साल दर शेकडा 12 दराने 3 वर्षांसाठी 12,500 रुपये कर्ज घेतले, तर त्यांना तिसऱ्या वर्षाच्या अखेर चक्रवाढ व्याज आकारणीने एकूण किती रुपये परतफेड करावी लागेल. म्हणजे आपल्याला इथे चक्रवाढ व्याजाने होणारी रास काढायची आहे. दॅट मीन्स वी हॅव टू फाइंड व्हॅल्यू ऑफ ए. फर्स्ट वी राईट हिअर P equal to 12,500, R equal to 12, N is 3 years. Here we have to calculate A. Then we write formula again, A equal to P into bracket 1 plus R upon 100 raised to N. Putting values here, it is equal to 12,500. Again we have to solve this bracket first, that means 1 plus 12 upon 100. For this addition we have to take cross multiplication. 100 into 1 is 100 plus 12 upon 100. That means it is equal to 112 upon 100. Then we write here 112 upon 100 raised to 3. Then it is equal to 12500 into bracket raised to 3. That means this term, it is 3 times multiplication. It is equal to 20 gets cancelled. Then 125 into 112, 112 into 112 divided by 1000. That means 100 into 100 will get 10,000. Then we divide these two terms. 125, here we get 80. Then 112 into 112 into 112 divided by 80. Then we again divide 112 by 80. We'll get here 14 upon 10. It is 112 into 14 upon 10. The next simplification is 112 into 14 upon 10. 14 upon 10 we get here 1.4. Then multiplication of these three terms equal to 17561.60 rupees. That means A amount equal to 17561.60. That means Samir Rao paid 17,561.60 रुपीज. ही दोन्ही उदाहरणं व्यवस्थित समजावून घेऊन बाकीची उरलेली 2 उदाहरणं वहीमध्ये सोडवायची.